Clear quartz is one of the most abundant crystals found in the earth, and it should be one of the most abundant crystals in your collection as well, because it's absolutely amazing for amplifying energy. Now, first of all, if you are feeling lethargic or flat and you need a bit of a boost, then clear quartz is really great in this respect. But not only for when you're feeling lethargic, you can also use it to help amplify any crystal. Now, some people ask, are there certain crystals that can be paired with it and other crystals that it can't be? Well, basically think of clear quartz as everyone's best friend. It basically encourages calming crystals to be a little bit more calm and sends that amplifying energy or that calming energy all around the space. But if you've got an invigorating crystal, let's say like a ruby or a carnelian, pairing it with clear quartz will help to send that out. Now, why does that work? Well, because of the points, it kind of directs energy. And so it kind of think of it like a megaphone or an amplifier. It just sends more of the energy from that other crystal around. This can be really great if you're working with rare or small crystals and want to spread that energy around a larger space. By gridding that around or placing these next to the crystal, it will amplify the space that it will reach out into. But let's get back to if you're feeling a little bit flat. How does clear quartz help to amplify your energy? Well, think of this as an embodiment of white light, and white light comprises of all the different colors of the spectrum, all the colors of the rainbow. When we are able to bring all of these different colors, all of these different energies in, we find harmony and balance. And when we are in harmony within ourselves, whether it be physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, or all of them, we feel harmonized, balanced, but also uplifted and invigorated. And so clear quartz works to bring everything into balance so that you have the optimum energy and you can operate at your best. How would I use clear quartz to amplify my own energy? Well, one of my favorite ways on the summer solstice, this clear quartz pendant here will go out under the sun and it will absorb that solar energy, and then I'll wear it whenever I need an energy boost. You can also do this with the moon to enhance your psychic abilities or your magical abilities, but also use the other elements: fire for a bit of transformation, air to bring in more wisdom, earth to bring in more groundedness, and water to bring in more emotional, openness or compassion as well. The other thing you can do is you can put clear quartz, because it is safe, you can pop it in water and allow that to kind of charge the water for a little while and then drink that water, invigorating you in that way as well. I also like to pop a piece of clear quartz in my diffuser, and when I'm diffusing essential oils around the space, clear quartz not only amplifies other crystals, but can amplify other healing tools that you're using as well. So as that lavender or that orange or that frankincense disperses around the space, its energy is being amplified by the clear quartz. Now remember that clear quartz doesn't just come as its regular type, it comes in many different forms, from a Lemurian seed crystal to a Herkimer diamond, plus all the different inclusions like chlorite, rutile, and tourmaline. And these all bring different amplification energies to this amazing crystal. I'd love to know, what's your favorite type of clear quartz, and do you notice how it gives you a bit of a boost when you have it nearby? Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Check out my other videos where we dive into other types of quartz as well. I'll talk to you soon. Blessed be.